Yeah, the word inequality. Welcome once again to our channel. Inequalities is what we are looking at. Inequality means not equal. So in expressions where you don't have equal signs, that is where you will find the inequalities. In the inequalities, we have the symbols of less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Those are the symbols that you will find in the inequalities, whereby they have been substituted by the equal sign. Where in the place where the equal sign is supposed to be, we have this sign or symbol of an inequality. So we are given an expression here and we want to find the value of y. In this case, we are going to use the laws of solving equations, that is algebraic equations, to help us find the missing letters. In this case, we will have to multiply -4 on both sides. So we'll say -4 times y over -4 is less than 3 times -4. Now, there are some specific rules here that we are going to use. The rules of multiplying integers. That is a positive times a negative, we get a negative. So our answer for this is going to be y is less than -12. So this is how you get your answer. Remember, negative times a negative, negative times a negative is equal to a positive, and then a positive times a positive is equal to a positive. Then the other way around, a negative times a positive is going to be a negative, and then a positive times a negative is going to be a negative. So we use those rules to help us come up with the right answers. So in our second example, we'll have x minus 9 is less than or equal to 13. Now we are going to use the same method of solving quadratic equations in algebraic form, and we are going to take -9 the other side. So we'll say x minus 9 plus 9 is less than or equal to 13 plus 9. So -9 plus 9, that's a 0. So which means we have x on this side alone is less than or equal to 13 plus 9. That is going to be 22. So this is our final answer. Now, most cases students fail this because they change the inequalities, the signs, the symbols for inequalities into equal signs. You are not supposed to change the sign or symbol given to you in an equation like this, in an expression like this, to make it an equal sign. That is where the challenges, most challenges come from when students are dealing with such equations. We can take another example, and as we encourage you to continue to subscribe to our channel and like our videos so that we can reach more people. So here we have 2y over 8 is less than or equal to 7. In this case, we are going to first of all multiply 8 on both sides. So we'll say 8 times 2y over 8 is less than or equal to 7 times 8. So that we remove these numbers on this side. We remain with the unknown on the left side. Basically, mostly, that is going to be our great example and great way of solving this. So we have 2y is less than or equal to 56. Then we divide 2 on both sides. Divide by 2, divide by 2, so that you have y is less than or equal to 56 divided by 2, that is going to be 28. Thank you so much for following. Continue to like our channel and subscribe.